Treated water from the Percy Stewart water treatment plant is released into nearby rivers or streams. However, untreated or partially treated sewage has also been flowing from the plant into the Blougatspruit, which flows into the Bloubankspruit.
The sewage works is supposed to treat the water, get rid of all the bacteria and pathogens that are in the water, and then release water, although not necessarily drinking water quality, but it must meet the water use license specifications as issued by the Department of Water and Sanitation. Currently, this plant is dysfunctional. It's actually been giving problems since about, it predates 2008.
Cattle graze on luscious green lawns not far from the treatment plant, but don't drink the water. Manseville has had long-standing issues with raw sewage spilling onto the streets. A pump station has been installed, but it's starting to clog up.
We see sewage exploding several times. They fix it and it explodes again.
So many times.
This place smells and they're trying to fix it, but it still smells. Even when you cook, we don't even know if the food tastes nice because it smells.
Contaminated rivers pose significant health risks, with the communities relying on these water sources for drinking, bathing, and irrigation. Brow has raised concern on the health implications of toxic water.
All the waste that comes in here effectively carries all of the diseases that the residents of Krugersdorp have. It also carries traces of all the medication and byproducts of the medicines that the people in Krugersdorp are using.
Polluted water can lead to the decline of aquatic species, disrupting the food chain and harming local biodiversity. Sensitive species may be particularly affected, leading to collapses in local ecosystems. We are currently at Brookwood Trout Farm, a place once buzzing with trout fishermen and other tourists who just came to enjoy the tranquil environment. However, that is no more, as the trout has died due to toxic, polluted water. Dirty rivers can detract from the natural beauty of the area, negatively impacting tourism at the Cradle of Humankind. Some businesses are already counting their losses.
Now, as you can see from behind me, there's not a soul. My sheep are walking around in amongst it because we just don't have a business anymore. It's collapsed to probably 10% of our normal turnover. We're actually just making ends meet, keeping our staff going. We're trying not to retrench people, trying what we can.
The municipality says although repair work has been delayed by the need to import equipment, 5 pump stations have been successfully refurbished and are now fully operational at a cost of 11 million rand. Makubane, SABC News, Cradle of Humankind.